The Ducati factory team officially launched the motorbike that will be launched to defend the Moto GP world title, the Desmosedici GP 24, at Madonna di Campiglio, Italy. At the launch, Ducati also showed off the livery, which has not changed too much, and of course the two lineup races, world champion Francesco Bagnaia and Enea Bastianini, as a tandem. Moto GP 2023 marks a very dominant season for Ducati, when the Borgo Panigale factory was able to score a record 17 wins from 20 Grand Prix to seal the constructors' title. I am very excited to start my fourth season with the Lenovo Ducati team. The last test in Valencia provided a positive response, giving us a strong foundation for development next season, said Bagnaia in Ducati's official statement. This will definitely be a season full of challenges, but we are ready to face it with determination as usual, and aim for the world title once again, he added. Agreeing, Bastianini said he was optimistic he could return to his best performance again this year, after a difficult last season, when he suffered a serious injury. Despite only participating in a few Grand Prix last year, I have learned valuable lessons that I will take with me. I have great confidence in my team, and I know we have all the potential to do well, explained Bastianini. Meanwhile, the new Desmosedici GP has a livery that is again dominated by red with graphic details that are reminiscent of the curve of the Ducati logo. Apart from its more dashing design, the motorbike also has several technical updates which are expected to be able to defend its world champion crown for the third time in a row. The Lenovo Ducati team will again feature Pecco Bagnaia with Enea Bastianini. Unfortunately, Bastianini couldn't show his full potential last year due to numerous injuries, but we are optimistic about his performance this season, said Ducati course general manager Luigi Dalligna. Meanwhile, after carrying out a series of official Moto GP 2024 test sessions in Sepang and Qatar, the new season will open with the first Grand Prix at the Lusail International Circuit, Qatar, on the 8th to the 11th of March 2024.